Next, let's take another one of our larger flathead brushes, and let's put some red on here. Raw sienna. Put that on there in some media. We're basically going to come up here, and we're going to start to apply. It's going to be our carpet, and we're going to have a red carpet with some yellow highlights in it. But first, let's get a very nice, strong base layer down, coming all the way up here to the edge. Paintings are very much created in layers, meaning you like to try to create the objects that are most distant from you first, which is why we're tackling the carpet as opposed to the chair. See, this chair leg and the chair here are in front of the carpet, and also in front of the wall for that matter. So first, let's make sure we have a nice red carpet all on the bottom here. You can see, like, while these colors are faded, the gray of the dog is really going to stand out in a wonderful contrast, despite the fact that it's gray, essentially a black and white object. Now, as you're going through here, you can also add some Radiant Lemon highlights as well to kind of lighten up certain parts of it. See that right in there, how much lighter that is? That makes the rug a little more interesting than just being a uniform red. Take anything, even something of the same color, it's much more interesting to have different highlights shooting through it than just a uniform bank. You can sometimes go for that effect, but that's not the case here. So basically now we're going to extend this down on this side, and then also on the other side of our dog before going on.